Okay, let's get started. Okay. Okay, last week what we did is we talked about something very interesting topic yesterday, last week. So how many person have gone through it? Yes or no? That is enough for me. So what was the concept is all about? Can someone tell me? What was the last week concept? Okay, yeah, thanks. So what we do was, so we are going to use the first minute range, 1 minute range, and then we're going to take the 5 candles and we draw this. Okay. So this is what I taught you last week. Okay. And then I taught you on this particular thing. These two are important zone that we need to draw. And then we need to take a call on that, right? That's what it is all about. If you people would have gone below this resistance level, people could have got some this much of money here. When they gone above this, they could have got the targets here. All these things could have done. Okay. But the beauty of this particular strategy is, right? So if you're doing for the first 5 minutes, right? So you're going to miss the entire action of the particular day, right? So that means that, sir, should I do this first 5 minute range on the particular day? No, you can do it on previous day also. Let's say, for working on the 25th, let's say, let's go 2 days ahead, okay? So because if I do it on this particular day, you will not understand anything. Let's go previously 1 day or 2 days before. Let's say we do it for uh just moving the replay to here. Okay. So we are doing it for 8. For working on 8, what we do is we work for the day on 7th. 7th we take and then we work on 8th, how it works. Okay. So what we do is we take the same 5 candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 candles I've taken. This is the lowest one and this is the highest one. Okay. So we'll take that. This is the lowest one. This is the highest one. I've taken it. And the second thing is on the upper side to the lower side, I'm going to take it. Upper side to the lower side, I've taken it. Okay. So what you need to do here is two things that you need to do. Okay. So first thing is you're not going to do anything called the rejection point area. That's what you're going to mark. This is the rejection point area. I'm going to mark the rejection point area. This is the rejection point area. And second rejection point area is here. So this may be a support or this may be a rejection point. That's what you can say. Okay. And then when it comes down, right? When it comes down, we have a target. So this is the maximum low it can go. Okay, this is the maximum low it can go for the particular day. Or even if a next day, this is where the support will come. Between 4.216 and 4.618, that's where the support will come. And same thing on the upper side, these two are the support range. So I need to mark these two also. These two are the support range. So after this is done, okay, your entire chart is ready right now. So what are you going to do? So this is what you're going to do. I'm going to remove I'm not going to remove. Let's have it like this. So we just mark the levels alone. So we mark the levels like this is a level 1, and then this is a level 2, and then this is the target. Okay. And then same thing on the upper side, we have the level 1, and then we have 2, and then we have third level. So this is what we draw. Okay. And then I don't care whether it's going down or whether it's not going down, everything we will take care of that. Okay. So here we are going to remove it from this. Okay. So we did the marking for the day of 7th. Okay. And then we are going to work on the day of 8th. Okay. So what is currently saying? It is currently above this range. Okay. Okay. So let's say on 8th, it can take support if it's below this level, right? If it's opening below this level, that means that it is going to go down. And this is the first target, or this is the second target, and this is where the support will be, the maximum support will be. Okay, so if I go with this mindset, right, I'm going with the second day, it's opening on the line, this 2.618 is opening on the line. Okay, so let's say if it goes up, it's opening on the line, the maximum low is here. Okay, Okay. This is the maximum low it formed and it is going down. Okay. It is going down. If it goes down, we need to have certain things, right? Okay. So when it goes down, okay, on 8, it goes down and it's picking up from this particular point. Again, it gets rejection from the same area. Okay. And when it crosses above this, it becomes positive for me. It's become positive for me. And then we can go long on that particular thing. See, after this, it went long. Almost it hit the targets here. Almost it went near to the upper side. Again, it came back down. So if you know how it's going to work on the previous day itself, we can draw and keep the lines ready so that it's your easy way of working. Like where the support will be. This is a massive support level. This is a massive support level. When it crosses that particular level, you can go long in Nifty. You see this every time that particular level, and it goes up and up only. Okay. The first time here, you would have got a big entry, you would have got a big entry here, you would have got a big entry here. See, here, that's a beauty. You see this on 8th, it went up and it crossed all the levels. See, becomes a passive on the upper side, okay? It massive on the upper side went almost up. It's the target on the top. And then this is a massive support level becomes and then falls. From here, the fall is ready. You can go for a short. And then what is doing? Fall is ready and again back to the same price again. It came down to the same price again. Again, if it goes up, again I can go long in the process. If it's not going down, then we have to go for a selling. Okay. So here this is a massive support. Let's see where it is closing above the day. Okay. See, it's opening, it's closing near to this. Okay, let's see another 1 more hour is there. Okay, so here, see, this is the next day. 9th is another day. It's opened. Okay, it's opened above the buying price, the same level. I didn't change anything. The same level which we are using it from 7th. I'm not going to change anything. The levels are same. I'm not going to change anything. The levels are same. There's a maximum resistance is here, and then the support two supports levels are here, and then lower support is also there. I've already marked it. So I'm going to run it for the same day. 9th also I'm going to run it. See, I got a rejection from this particular point. Got a rejection exactly at the same point. Okay. Again, these are the support levels. Wherever the lines are there, those are support levels. If it comes there, it will take the support from that particular level and it again goes up. These are support levels. Again, it goes up. So if you draw like this, right, you will get more clarity on how to work on it. The more clarity on the subject will definitely come when you keep on working on this particular logic. If you're not working on this logic, right, you will not get anything out of it. Okay. The one thing is sure that whatever you're doing it for the day, you have to do it for previous day and you can see. Okay, what I'm teaching you for a particular strategy, you can backtest it. You can go backtest it for any number of days. You can keep the same level again and again. You will not lose anything out. So if you people would have drawn this, right? See the exact rejection point is here. You got from here, where is the selling price? 4421, right? And then it came down almost 120 points down. So you already know where the selling point is. Okay. So this is the beauty of this particular strategy. So this will help you in achieving more and more logic to it. Okay. First thing is you need to work on it. Okay. Sir, yeah, whether this works on all kind of market, yes, it works on all kind of markets. Let's say Sir, I'm used to work in I work on Europe market. Let's say yeah. Um, Sir, I work on um, international market. Let's say I work on Facebook. Okay, let's say I work on Facebook Meta platform here. So I want to work on Meta platform. So same thing on the first day, ninth, the first day, first 5 minutes candle I need to take. This first 5 minutes candle I need to take. First 5 minutes candle starts from here. Okay, there's no wick here, and then there's no wick. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the highest one. Okay, so I'll take it from the low. I'll take it from the low to the high. Okay, this is the highest one. I'm going to take it. So if you know that, you know the target. Okay, and then you draw the same thing at the top to the bottom. And then all you need to do is two things that you need to do is wherever the confluence zones are there, you need to draw the lines here. This is a one support level, and this is the maximum support level. It is there. That's where the rejection points also will come. And then the lowest support point is here. The highest support point is highest resistance point is here. So if you draw all this stuff ready, you have done your homework. To see this maximum targets it hit exactly. Where the rejection point, this way the rejection point here. That's where it got selling. Again, it took support from the same level. Again, went up to the maximum target. Again, came down. Again, it came down near to this particular level, and then it stayed above. Okay. So you can do whatever I'm teaching you right now. You can do it for any kind of a market. Sir, what about anything like crypto? I want to do it. So I want to do for crypto, like say Bitcoin, I want to do it. Okay. Bitcoin is completely different way of doing it. Okay. So Bitcoin, I'll take it. Which one I have to take? Can someone let me help me out here? Which one I have to take? I think can I take crypto here? Next I will take for crude oil. Okay. Ethereum. Okay. Which one I have to take? Ethereum. Ethereum. Which one I have to take? Forex.com, FXCM. Which one I have to take? Which one is which will be very good? No, I'll take it. Which one? Which one I have to take? Which one I have to take? Forex or FXCM or Qcoin? Forex CXP. Where is it? Anything is fine. Okay. Top Forex.com. Okay, I'll take Forex.com. Okay. Ethereum, I'm taking it. So Ethereum basically it stands for every any time, right? It works from 24/7, right? It works throughout the day, but there is a dull period between 2:30 and 3. I think around 2:30 to 3 there is a dull period, right? Let's see here 1, 2, 3, and then from somewhere here. Guys, can you give me 5 minutes of your time because someone is there at home? Just give me 5 minutes. I'll come back and I'll continue on this. Okay. Okay. Don't worry. Just give me 5 minutes. I'll be back. I'm extremely sorry for keeping you hold. Some urgent thing, so that's why I need to step out. So basically, what if you want to consider something on the crypto or anything, right? Try to concentrate on the market where effectively all the players are in. Let's say, which market will be very good for crypto? Maybe whether Indians works on crypto? Yeah, now people are working. But do you think Indians works predominantly on crypto? Like 50%, 70% of it? No, right? Tell me. Is it Indians works on crypto or is from other companies? Let's say Dubai, people work on crypto, and then from Europe, they work on crypto, and then you just come back to US, and most of the people in US works in crypto. Okay, so the comparison is most of the people in US works on crypto. What time they start the business? Let's say, um, can someone tell me what time the business starts in USA? Message me, please. What time? 7 p.m. Oh, it should be. It's not 7 p.m. I think so. Let's do something. Okay, let's do max. Let's do date calculation here. Okay. Okay. So what time is now? It's 1:58. Okay. Let's take 2:58, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 hours from now. 5 hours from now is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That's around 4:30 to 5. Okay. 5 o'clock is the right time. No, I think it's New York, right? New York is 1 hour 15 minutes. So 2 plus 5 is 7 p.m. Okay. 7 p.m. we'll take it, but here we'll take it like 7 p.m. or 6 p.m. 6:30 will be good. Okay. Let's take 6 o'clock. 6 may be a right time. Okay. So for 6, I want to work on 10th. Okay. I want to work on 10th. So I need to work on 6. So I'm just removing from 10th. Okay. I'm removing 10th. I don't want 10. Okay. I just want to see on how it works on 6th. Okay. 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock starts here. Okay. This way 6 o'clock starts. But basically 6 is not the right time. See the volatility is around 7 o'clock. 6:30 is the right time. Okay. 6 o'clock is not the right time. 6:30 is the right time. Okay. 6:30 is the right time. So we take 6:30. The first one is 6:30 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we have till 5 here. This is a 5 level. Okay. So we'll take this 1 to the 5 here. Okay. I've taken it. Okay. And then same thing on the top. Again to the top, to the bottom, I'm taking it. So if you do that, okay, you get a clarity that something which is very, very important. There's two levels that we need to mark. One is on 4.618 and 4.268. This is these two levels that we are going to mark. These two levels will be your rejection point area. And then there is somewhere in between. I don't want to mark it something like this. So I'll just mark it on the entire zone as my rejection area. So these are the levels of rejection. And the targets are already there. These are the targets. If it falls below this, we have a target here. If it goes above this, we have a target on the upper side. These are the targets that I have. That's it. And then I don't need all this stuff nonsense. Okay. I just remove this one. Okay. So we have the level. So this is a important. What is this important? This is important in between zone. And then below this is a selling. Okay. I just repeat it one more time. These two are the rejection support point, and these two are the rejection point. These two are intermediate support and resistance points. Okay. Okay. So we got that. Okay. So I'll just mark this as in a different color so that I will get to know something clarity here. Have some clarity. This is support level, so I mark it as green, and this on the rejection point and mark it as red. Okay, so we got all the levels. Okay, so here, if it crosses here, right? Let's say I've been trading on 10th. I'm just marking on 10th. So let's say above this is a buying for me. This is where you get a rejection point. Okay, and this is where the maximum rejection point will come. Okay, my time starts at 9 o'clock, right? Let's move it very fast. This is where the support is for me. Okay, so support is taking it from here. So from here, my target is on 2 point this level. What is the level? It's 2 point. This almost it came to 2.610. Okay, so let's move it one step ahead because it doesn't have any data. So let's go one step ahead. Okay, we'll move it on 8th. Okay, so that we get not 9th. Okay, so we go on 8th, 8th, 6 o'clock. There's a huge movement. Okay, so 6:30. Main. Okay, let's take it on 6. Okay, let's take 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are 5 candles here. We'll take this 5 candles here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the top side, and this is the long side, short side. Okay, I got these two lines, and we'll draw the same thing here. Uh, this is a rejection point area. This is another rejection point area. Okay, and then support will happen around this area. This area is a support area. And then this area will be my rejection point area. These two will be my rejection point area. Okay, so when I have that levels, so what I have is I have intermediate level. So this becomes my support level. And when a support level is there, my targets are this: one target, first target, second target, the first target, second target, and then third target. And then the fourth target will be a rejection point. Okay, so the same thing at the bottom. These are the first target, second target, third target, fourth target. All the targets are here. So here it almost came near to this particular level. After this selling, it came down almost till here. So try to book your profits around 2.618. This is a level that you need to first book your profits, first level of profits. If you have 100 shares, right, put half of your shares here, sell it. And then again, if it goes up, like say it is coming down like this, right? So beauty of this is if it comes down like this, and then if it's reversing back, okay, and if it crosses this particular line, you should be in the long side. You should not be in the short side. You should be in the long side. When it goes on the long side, you have a target on this side, and these are the targets. This will be a target 1, this will be a target 2, and the rejection point will be here or here. These two are the rejection point area. Okay, so you should be booking your profits around this particular area. You have to take the trade only above this area. It's crossing this area. You need to take the trades. When you go for this particular movement, you get a target on the upper side. This is the first target, second target, and then see it went up like this, and then you got a rejection. See this here, you got the rejection point. After that, it went up. It went up, and then it took support from the same level again and again and again. After that, it got rejection. After rejection, as I said, if it comes down, it has to come down. This is the target, this is the target, and this is the target. So it came all the way down here. So if you had been doing it on 8th, you would have easily done your trade on 9th. Yes or no? So here itself, you would have got some huge money. Okay, so this is how you need to do for Ethereum. Okay, so let's say people are asking for crude. Okay, crude oil. Crude oil also you can do the same thing. Okay, crude oil also usually the trades happening around in the afternoon, around say let's say in the evening. So I don't use the crude oil here. I use US oil. US oil I need to use. Okay, I'll just go for the 8th alone. Okay, so I'm going for the 8th again to showcase on the 9th. Okay, 8th. Is it 8th? Yeah, this is now 9th. I'm going for 8th right now. Same thing at 6 o'clock. Okay, 6 o'clock. I'm taking at 6 o'clock. So this is the first candle. Where is it? 8 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Okay. First, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This two. This is the lowest one, and this is the highest one. I've taken it. Again, I'm going to do it from the upper to the lower, upper to the lower. Okay. So then you're going to do it for here on the top. You're going to do it here at the bottom. And these two are your support levels. And these two are your rejection levels. Okay. And then see, after crossing this particular line, it moved up almost near to the 4.626 levels. It came down after this falling, it came down near to this particular level. And then it went up, crossing this above this line. It went up 2 times, one time, second time, third time it tried to move, hit the targets. And then it went all the way up to the ninth level. Again, came down near to this particular level. See this exactly at particular levels. Again and again and again and again. Okay. And then see, you could have traded easily on crude. Yes. Yes or no? How many people say that you could have traded easily on crude if you know this level earlier? Nobody? Very bad. It's very easy and very, very effective things. Okay. So the logic you need to put into the subject is you need to put when you're going to make it. No, so where are the candles are? Which candles I need to take? Like Indian market starts at 9:15. So I got easily 9:15 is the first 5 candles, right? I can take it. What if I go for Europe candles? Let's say Euro USD. Let's say people are asking for Euro USD. Let's go for Euro USD. Euro USD starts around let's say Europe market starts around 1:30 Indian time, correct? Approximately. It's on 1:30 or 1 o'clock, I don't know. Let me see where the volatility starts. I'll just do it from there. Okay. So let's take 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock is here. Okay, I can take 1 o'clock as a time for Euro USD get starting. Okay. So I'm taking 1 o'clock as the time. 1 o'clock is the time. So this is the highest first candle, and then second, third, fourth, and fifth. So this is the lowest one, and this is the highest one. So I'll take the highest candle. This is the highest candle. Correct, na? That's the highest candle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the lowest one. I got this. Okay. Again, same thing. At the low, I'm going to take it from the low to the high. I'm going to mark it. After that, what I do? Same thing I told you, right? You should do the basics first. Take this first one here. Second one at the top. Just do this. So you got that 2 levels here. And then you got the support level. Where the support level is? Support level is here. And then where the rejection point level is? Rejection level point is here. So after that, what I'm going to need to do? I need to check where the market is heading. So here, see, it took support from this level. Again, it went up. It came down below this. It came down to 4.618 here. So this is the first level that you need to book your profits. And this is the final profit levels. Okay. Again, it came down below this level. It will be going completely on the downside till the target. This is the final target level. It came exactly that particular level. Again, it went up. It hit the targets here. Going up, these are all your targets. And then from there, it went up all the way up. Got the rejection from the same level. See this. This is a level that we saw the selling levels are. But that's the selling level. And then from here, it came to the support level, got one support, came down, and then it hit the targets here again. Okay. So this is how you are going to work on Euro USD. You can take it for anything. Like if I want to work on Indian and Japan or Indian and US. What is that? Can you plot this for MCX EQ? Equity? You want to do it for MCX? So MCX now, what really happens is MCX, it starts at 9 o'clock. Okay. And then what really happens is for the first 1 hour, 5 hours, it doesn't happen anything. It doesn't happen anything during the first 5 hours of a session, 9, 10, 10, 11, 12, 1 o'clock. Till 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, there'll not be any kind of a market like commodity trading will be happening only between like 10% of the person will be trading in equity like MCX. The value in the first 5 hours of Indian MCX will not have anything. But all you need to do is you need to put your brain into it. So how you can do it? Like I said, I have to use the Europe market, India, US market for crude, right? You can use the same thing for crude oil futures. Okay, I'm taking crude oil futures. Okay, so what time I said we selected 6 o'clock, correct? 6 o'clock we selected, na? 6 o'clock is the first candle which is selected. This is the first candle. Second, third, fourth, and fifth. This is the lowest one, and this is the highest one. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the lowest one, and this is the highest one. Okay, I did that. Again, I'm going to take it from the upper side. Again, I'm going to take it from the upper side to the lower side. What I have to do? Basic things. I need to draw levels from 4.236 is the first thing which we need to draw. Again, we need to draw something on the upper side here. And then second is here. And then on the top side, we need to draw another levels. Where are intermediate targets that we need to book? The targets are here. And then the targets are here. When it goes below this, you need to book 50% of your profits around this particular levels. Okay. So after crossing this, it came down all the way down. Again, went up, went all the way on the upside. And below this, it's going for selling. And this is the support levels. Every moment on the top side, you get to the targets. Almost here. Again, below this, it came down almost to the targets. Only thing is the volatility will be very high. Okay. But the targets is also will be very, very good. The volatility will be there, and also targets will it then and there itself. You just get immediately the targets. Okay. So this is what is all about. Okay. Crude. And she is asking about MCX shares. Okay. So let's take MCX here. Okay. So she's challenging me for MCX. We'll take the MCX. Okay. So MCX is this first particular chair. It started from here, first candle, second, third, fourth, and fifth. This is the first, last, fifth candle is here. I'm going to take the fifth candle here to the upper side. That's the first thing that I'm going to draw. And second thing which I'm going to draw is from the top to the bottom, right? This is the top to the bottom. So we know where the support is. The support is around, rejection point is here, and then another rejection point is here. Again, on the upper side, we have a rejection point on this upper side too. So this is the first level of booking your profits. So it's almost near to the first level of booking the profits. It came down, it near to the targets again, went up, came near to the targets again, went up, again to the same level again. Okay, this is on 9th. Okay. So what if I go for 1 day before? 1 day before on thing is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are 5 candles. So I'll just quickly draw. This is the lowest one, and this is the highest one. And then, sorry, this is I need to use the thing again. Yeah, this is not correct. Let me do it one more time. I need to draw from the top, to the bottom, again on the bottom to the top. So we need to get some kind of line like this, immediate lines like this. Otherwise, your drawing is completely wrong. Okay, I'm just drawing this one, and then the top is here, and then the rejection point is here, and then the rejection point, the support point is here. Okay, and then we have all the targets on the upper side is there. This is a rejection point area. Okay, so let's see where it went. So here, and then these are the intermediate targets. Okay, crossing this 44285, we know the target is 4321. That's where it hit. How many candles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 minutes. It only took 8 minutes for hitting the target of 41 rupees. Okay. and then see exactly hitting the targets here. That's where the rejection point is. That's where it got rejection. Exact point. Again came down here. It got support from the same level again here. See this. It crossed on the next day. It got support from here. It went all the way up. Again at the same level, it got support. Is this amazing? Anybody have any kind of problems here? No? Is it easy for working on this market? Yeah. So these are like our FiboWaves basics. Okay. These are like FiboWave basics things. But if you have known the FiboWave concept, this is much more superior concepts. Okay. So those who really want to learn from us, right? Just come and join us. We'll make you much more great stuff with. These are simple things, guys. These are simple things. 8 minutes, you know the targets. How many point? 40 points. We know where it's going to fall. When it falls, how many points here? 70 points. How many candles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 minutes. It took only 6 minutes for 70 points. And again, same 6 minutes for another 70 points on the top. Okay, unless you know where the support and where the resistance is formed, you cannot make anything out of it. Okay, there are different concepts are there, but the concept, whatever you're taking, right, you should be thorough on that particular concept. Otherwise, it will not work out anything. You should put your heart and soul into this. Okay, I know when I give lectures, people try to exit from the session. That I know, but who are there in the call, right? Try to get the crisp out of it. Try to see what you can do better in your trades. Okay. And these are all small things. This chapter, like Market with Prem, will keep on going. There's somewhere around 230 chapters are there. We'll go one by one. Okay. So coming to 240 chapters or 250 chapters, you will be coming to know what is FiboWaves there. Okay, until then, you'll be learning and learning and learning where nobody had explored into the market. These are things nobody would have explored, definitely. Okay, so the exploring the unexplored is the motto of FiboWaves. I'll make sure that it's given to you also. Okay, those who want to join us. And I think there is a intraday Independence Day offer is going on. Those who want to join, can join. We will help you out in that. Okay. Chalo, take care and bye for today. And that's it for Hack today. Okay. And one more thing, guys. Next week, there'll not be any sessions because I'm not available next week. So next week, I'll not be conducting the session. And following week, you'll be consider I'll be doing another session. Okay. So until then, bye for now. Okay. Take care. Bye bye.